Let's assume you are a criminal and you want to steal. Do you steal in the middle of the daylight when everybody is watching, or at night when nobody is watching? Exactly. Most crimes happen at night. And now, in the middle of the COVID-19 nightmare, crimes are happening and no one is watching or caring. Take Hungary, for example. It's a democratic country in the European Union, and in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Prime Minister gave himself emergency powers, which means now he can do whatever he wants and no one can stop him. And these powers he can keep for as long as he wants. In other words, Hungary just became the first country in the European Union to cancel democracy. And how many people care? Zero! No one cares. We're all interested in COVID-19, not in Hungary or justice or human rights. In Hong Kong, China is about to pass a law that allows it to finally control the city. They did this in the middle of the pandemic when no one can safely protest. In Azerbaijan, the government put the opposition party in jail under the excuse of COVID-19. In Jordan, they banned newspapers. Why? Because they say paper transmits the disease. Yemen, Oman, Iran, and Morocco did the same thing. But there is no evidence whatsoever that paper transmits the disease. The only thing they transmit is information. 84 countries now have emergency laws to fight COVID-19. In most cases, they are fine. But some countries are trying to use COVID-19 to get more power that they will never give back. This is how Europe just got its first dictatorship, and to this day, no one cares. From politics to environment to human rights, the world stopped paying attention. In Brazil, the environment minister was caught on video literally saying, "Now that the media is only talking about COVID-19, we need to use this moment of calm to change all the rules." Exactly! That's all the proof that you need. If I was a bad guy, this is when I would commit my crime. If I was a dictator, this is when I would grab power. See, they say democracy dies in darkness, and they are right. COVID-19 is darkness, but it's a dictator's best friend. That's why it's important now more than ever to stay safe and to stay aware. That's more than a minute. See you tomorrow.